Begin by removing the socket bridge. Loosen and remove the right top bolt of the frame using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Do not discard the bolts. Keep them safely for reassembly later. Next, flip the display frame upward to create enough space to access the energy meter. Pay close attention to the wire sequence. Carefully disconnect the Modbus wires from the energy meter, ensuring each wire is noted for correct reinstallation. Then disconnect the incoming feeder cables from the energy meter using a PZ2 screwdriver. Disconnect the outgoing feeder cables as well. Once all cables are removed, unclip the energy meter from the DIN rail using a flat-headed screwdriver. To reinstall, begin by connecting the outgoing feeder cable to the energy meter with a PZ2 screwdriver. Clip the energy meter back onto the DIN rail, ensuring it locks into position securely. Reconnect the incoming feeder cables to the energy meter. Then carefully reconnect the Modbus wires, again checking the wire sequence to ensure each wire is placed correctly. Place the detached frame back in a vertical position using the inserts and take care not to damage the display. Clip the socket bridge onto the frame by pressing it inward. Finally, secure the socket bridge using the previously removed bolt and tighten it to 2 Nm with a Torx T20 screwdriver.